21, perfect. All right, so I've checked that on the height of this relative to the floor is the exact same height as that one on the top relative to the floor. I'm marking where the bolt holes are so I can get behind there, make a mark, pre-drill them, and then go ahead and mount a couple of rib nuts. There's two pre-drilled, pre-threaded 8mm holes there. There's 3 down the side of each of these sides. So I'll utilize 2 of those and 2 rib nuts, and I'm marking to pre-drill these, and then I can mount these. The bolt hole, I found the bolt hole, and I'm just kind of pushing a nail into the back of the board. I can hear it going. Okay, let's check height one more time, make sure I didn't move anything. I've got 21 exactly. 21 exactly. 21 exactly. 21 exactly. All right, so regardless then of what angle the van is at relative to the floor, this second floor should now be level. So I've drilled my holes. Now I'm going to line them up and make sure which one gets the rib nut. Okay, one down. There's 2 of them up. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put one down either side and then make my supports for this. Well, it might not be bolted down, but I can't tell you how cool it is to like see some wood in here. I mean, it's all got to come back out, but that's just the way this goes. I mentally needed to see that today. I really did. We're going to put 2 more studded walls underneath, and then there'll be a drawer that goes on a slider that goes out that way, a drawer on this side on a slider that goes out that way, and the center drawer will pull out, and then we'll step up, because this will be the floor. There'll be a table, you know, we'll have a bench and a table mounted in the middle that will lower down to be the bed. So we're going to certainly need that support under here to accommodate that. But sweet, I like it. So thanks for tuning in for what I'll call phase 1 of putting in the second floor of the van today. If you like the video, smash the thumbs up, comment on the video. If you like the content we're putting out, consider subscribing to the channel, share the video. Until next time, peace. We'll see you.